What are you doing? Chase?
Yes.
What are you doing? Are you going to come out?
No.
Why not?
I'm staying here
Why?
because I'm going to say hello to you.
Hello.
Hello, I'm right here.
Nice to meet you.
I'm good. Ready?
Hi.
Sir, where are you? Where's my sweetie pie?
Your sweetie pie?
Yes, where's my doggy?
I don't know. Where is she?
Ladies are there. Go check him.
I checked on her.
I want to check on her.
We'll go check on her then.
No. You go. Where's my sweetie pie? Oh no, oh no, oh no, no.
Yes, what are you doing over there?
I'm saying hello to mommy. Hello, mommy.
Hello, baby.
You have fun today?
I had a lot of fun. Did you? Bye. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Mommy.
What are you?
Mommy says come out of the pantry, please. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Chase.